How to add multiple accounts on Pinterest. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Pinterest app on your phone. Tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile picture on the top left corner again. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. In the login section, tap on Add Account. Now you can do here 3 different things. You can create a free business account by tapping on Create, tap on Login, and then do the following procedure here. Or you can create a new personal account by sign up or log in. You can continue with Facebook, with Google or Apple, or even enter your email address and then password, then sign in. Or connect existing account by entering email or password, or even you can continue with Facebook, Google or Apple. So that is how you can add multiple accounts on Pinterest. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.